This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. Here are over 20 phone applications that can make your life just a bit easier. And the best part, everyone that we are showing you are absolutely free, and you are able to download them on both Google Play or the Apple Store. So if you have an Android phone or Apple phone, you are in luck. Let's look into the first one. Caring Village. Caring Village helps family caregivers connect with each other to exchange information and support. The app also provides access to a directory of caregiving services in your area. CareDriver. Book a ride through this app. Carely. Keep track of appointments, use a shared calendar with other family caregivers, and list and organize activities, tasks, etc. CareZone. This useful app helps you keep track of important medications, doctor's appointments, and other health information for your loved one. You can also use it to coordinate care with other family members or caregivers. Caring Bridge. This great app provides a safe and easy way to connect with other caregivers and family members who are supporting a loved one through a health journey. It's also a great way to keep everyone updated on your loved one's progress. Circle of. With this app, you can consolidate tasks, appointments, use a calendar, video chat, email, and find resources about your specific medical situations. CK Life. This app was created specifically for caregivers of people with dementia. It connects you to on-demand service when you need a qualified caretaker to help care for a senior loved one. Dementia Talk, specifically designed for caregivers of seniors who have dementia or Alzheimer's disease. This app provides the caregiver with features such as a care plan, medication lists, scheduler, and even a behavior tracker. eCare21. This app provides caregivers with access to online support groups, educational resources, and a directory of caregiving services. First Aid by American Red Cross, a free app that all caregivers should have, provides first aid and CPR instructions. iAlly. This app is designed to help caregivers manage the medications of their loved ones. It includes a medication reminder, a dosage calculator, and a pill identifier. Care. This app helps caregivers track the medical appointments, medications, and immunizations of their loved ones. Insight Timer. This app offers a variety of meditation exercises specifically for caregivers. It also includes a progress tracker and the ability to set reminders. Lotsa Helping Hands. This app helps caregivers coordinate caregiving tasks and schedule assistance from friends, family, and volunteers. Lyft. When you can't take your elderly parent to the doctor's appointment or to the grocery store. Medisafe. This app is a medication reminder and management tool that can help you keep track of your loved one's medications, dosage instructions, and refill dates. It also features a handy pill identifier in case you're ever unsure about a particular medication. MindMate, an app specifically designed for caregivers of seniors who are dealing with cognitive issues such as memory loss. This app has daily exercises designed to help with memory loss, as well as general exercise. MyMeds Pill Reminder. MyMeds is another medication reminder app that can help you keep track of your loved one's medications and also provides information about possible side effects and drug interactions. RxSaver, an app that can save you money on prescription drugs. Simple. This app helps caregivers keep track of their loved ones' medical appointments, medications, and immunizations. It also includes a symptom checker and a directory of doctors and hospitals. Uber, another transportation service that can help to get your elderly parents to where they need to go when you are not able to do it for them. As you can see, no matter what your situation is, there's sure to be an app out there that can make your life just a bit easier. Do some research and find the one that's right for you. While these apps can't take the place of professional caregivers or family members, they can certainly help to make your life a little bit easier. So in closing, if you're feeling overwhelmed at times, be sure to give these apps a try, and don't be afraid to ask someone for help if you need it. Make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members so you can spread this wonderful information, and please have them like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and God bless, from Senior Life Simplified. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you, and God bless.